Throughout the years, we have built a culture of real estate students and real estate professionals wherein they are able to share the best practices. My name is Richard Tadeus Carvajal and I am professor here at iACADEMY. I've been teaching here for the last 7 years and I'm handling real estate management subjects. I've always been passionate about built environment. So I am a practicing real estate professional. And I am lucky that iACADEMY is offering a BS Real Estate Management program. So opportunities open for me to teach future industry leaders. At the same time, being able to practice what I love to do. Recently passed the licensure examination for real estate consultant and I was able to achieve the highest score. Preparing for the real estate consultancy exam is quite different from preparing from the brokers and appraiser examination. In consultancy exam, you need around 5 to 10 experiences. So it's a balance of both theory and practice. Preparing for this exam is quite rigorous because you have to update yourself with the current market trends, create a feasibility study, and really make a deeper dive when it comes to the real estate in general. So it's more of a holistic approach and you have to be able to demonstrate your expertise that you are ready to be a consultant. Content creation is the future of business. New marketing trends revolves around it. In the fast-changing world of global business, we all need to adapt and really develop our skills when it comes to content creation. It can drive sales and reach higher audiences and higher target market. You can really earn more in your business if you know how to leverage in content creation. As a content creator and an educator, I think I was given the platform to advocate for lifelong learning, especially for my followers who would like to take second degree. I myself love studying and continuously learning, which is perfect when it comes to the real estate management program since most of our students are second degree takers. I've been using my platform to really promote education, not only to the young ones, not only to the Gen Z, but even for people who wants to go back to school and learn something new. So that's what drives me to create content. I've always been a multitasker. That's a skill that I always had growing up and I was able to develop it. But if you're doing a lot like me, like you're running a business, you're creating content, and you're teaching on the side for passion, I guess you really need to learn how to delegate, compartmentalize, and really know what to prioritize. The real estate management program in iACADEMY is quite unique because we prepare students not only to be industry leaders, but to be the best practitioners out there. Throughout the years, we have built a culture of real estate students and real estate professionals wherein they are able to share the best practices through different networking events, different forums, etc. So it's really not just about learning in class, but also learning from one another. We give the floor to our students to be able to share their best practices. Since a lot of them come from different background with different practice, some works in assessor's office, some work in residential real estate. We also have students who are leaders in commercial real estate. They could really learn from one another. And I really think it goes both ways. You learn from your professor, you also learn from students. And as I said, we do this through different networking activities. We attend forums, we attend site work, and we provide different activities for our real estate management students. I always tell my students that they are the future of the real estate industry. So I always advise them to practice what they learn in class. Theory is quite different from practice. These are two things. You can be good in theories, you can top your exams, but then practice is a whole different thing. So in iACADEMY, it's a balance of both. I always tell them to apply whatever they learn in my class, and I leave them like real life case studies that they are able to apply since most of them are working professionals and working in the real estate industry already. And I think that a lot of them would appreciate our lessons because it's really helping them to grow not only as students, not only as future licensed real estate practitioner, but also really in their careers now. We're helping them develop the skills and knowledge necessary to be the future leader of real estate and to really game change the world of real estate. I am Richard Tadeus Carvajal with iACADEMY in Changing the Game.